Hey everyone, this video we're going to dive into building a very simple decoding stub. What decoding stubs are useful for is to better understand how malware authors approach obfuscating the executable at the end of the day. And so in this video we are going to dive into creating our own decoding stub and show how it works in Python. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And thank you for watching. All right, well, welcome back everyone. Thanks again for joining, because in this video we're going to discuss how to decode a stub. Very simple stub, but it's something that as a malware analyst you're going to want to be able to understand how packing, unpacking, utilizing the stub is just being done with regards to this. Again, this is a very simple, but it's going to have a very good illustration. Right now I have my Juniper notebook open here, and let's just really start jumping into it. This is going to be Python, so for all those Pythonistas out there, we're going to jump right into it. First things first, it's going to be a Base64 stub that we're basically encoded. So all the encoding is already done, and it's going to be encoding this print statement. So once this executes in Python 3, hello 0x Tyson is going to be what it is. But as you can see, it's the actual Python execution statement that's being encoded into Base64 and put right into there. Alright, so we're going to create a little function, decode stub, that is going to accept the encoded stub. And we're going to take a look here. Got our definition, decode stub, takes our encoded stub. And then equals Base64, the decode, the encoded stub, and decode. And as you can see here, we have a nice little piece that'll open up and show you what exactly this functionality is doing. Finally, we're going to record it, or return the decoded stub. Now, let's finish off with our main function. So, as you can see here, we're defining our main, are going to call decode stub, and we're going to put it into the variable decoded code, execute, decoded code, and finally main. Now, if everything works out well, and hopefully it does, we're going to see that we have the ability to take an encoded Python print statement, encode it, then decode it in much the way that malware utilizes stubs to decode everything. So let's go ahead and hit run. Hello 0x Tyson. Next, we're going to be doing it with cipher, cryptography. We're going to be throwing in a little bit as we're building upon this. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.